Which microwave grill pan is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Prep Solutions Bacon Grill. Right off the bat, I was drawn to its design and the promise of perfectly crispy bacon without the mess. At $19.99, it's positioned as a budget-friendly option. If you want a quick and easy way to cook bacon in your microwave, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is its ability to cook 7 to 9 strips of bacon at once, which means you can whip up breakfast for the whole family in just minutes. Plus, the vented cover helps prevent grease splatters, so your microwave stays clean, and who doesn't want that? It's dishwasher safe and BPA free, making it a safe and convenient choice. Now here's the catch. It's made of plastic, which some people might find a bit off-putting. But honestly, if you're just looking for a way to cook bacon without fuss, I think the ease of use outweighs any concerns about materials. Just keep in mind it's not designed for other types of food, so if you're looking for versatility, this might not be it. This is perfect for you if you love crispy bacon but want an easy method to make it. Skip this one if you're looking for a multifunctional microwave grill pan. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility and cooking various meals.
Product number 2, Macany Microwave Grill Pan. Let's talk about the Macany Microwave Grill Pan. This one caught my eye with its advanced heat wave technology and a price tag of $40.19. If you want a multifunctional tool that mimics traditional grilling, this is a strong contender. The Macany pan uses unique thermal materials to convert your microwave energy into far infrared heat, which means it grills food evenly while retaining nutrients. This is great for grilling meats, making grilled cheese, or even reheating leftovers with a crispy finish. It's designed for quick meals, so if you're in a hurry, you can still enjoy great taste without the mess of traditional cooking. However, some reviews mention that it can take a little longer than expected to achieve that crispy texture. Here's the thing though, if you're patient and follow the recommended times for different foods, you'll likely end up with some delicious results. But if you're rushed, it might not be the best match for you. This is perfect for you if you want a grill pan that doubles as a crisper and is easy to clean. Skip this one if you're looking for something strictly for bacon or similar items. For the price, you're getting a lot of functionality in one tool. Now, if the Macany's cooking time concerns you, the next option offers quick results without sacrificing flavor. Product number 3, AHJ Microwave Grill Pan. And it's priced at $29.99. Right away, I loved its multifunctional promise. It claims to cook steaks, omelets, and even pasta in a matter of minutes. If you want a pan that does it all, you'll want to listen closely. What's impressive about the AHJ pan is its specialized heating technology that absorbs microwave energy efficiently, heating food up to 260 degrees. This means you can achieve that crispy texture without needing a stove or oven. It's compact and easy to use, making it perfect for dorms or small kitchens. Plus, it comes with a silicone mat that helps keep your microwave clean by catching grease. Now, some users pointed out that it's not suitable for all microwave wattages, which could be a downside if you have a lower-powered microwave. But here's the thing, it's designed for efficiency. Just adjust your cooking time according to your microwave's power, and you should be good to go. This is perfect for busy individuals or students wanting quick, tasty meals without the hassle. Skip this one if you have a very low wattage microwave and need something more universal. For the price, it's a solid addition to your kitchen. Alright, that was a promising choice, but the next one ups the ante with even more features.
Product number 4, Glow Goose GGG Microwave Grill Pan. We have the Glow Goose GGG Microwave Grill Pan, retailing at $35.99. This product stood out because of its multifunctionality, claiming to support 8 cooking modes. If you want versatility in your microwave cooking, this might be just what you need. This pan offers a unique combination of materials, including an aluminum-coated sheet and heat-resistant silicone, designed to absorb microwave energy efficiently. It promises even heating and crispy grilling without needing a stove. What's more, it's designed to keep your food nutritious while cooking quickly, making it a great option for families. However, a few users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky for smaller microwaves, which can be a hassle. But honestly, if you have the space, the range of cooking options it provides makes it worth considering. This is perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking a variety of meals quickly in their microwave. Skip this one if you have a very compact microwave and need something smaller. For the price, it offers a lot of cooking potential.
Now, if the Glow size is a concern, the next product might be a better fit for smaller kitchens.
Product number 5, Liqua Microwave Grill Pan. Let's look at the Liqua Microwave Grill Pan, also priced at $35.99. This pan caught my attention with its patented heating technology and the promise of great results in minutes. If you want something that can handle all your grilling needs in a compact design, keep listening. The Liqua pan utilizes advanced heating materials that absorb microwave energy effectively, allowing for quick and even cooking. It's designed to be non-stick, which makes cleanup a breeze. Additionally, it's compact and travel-friendly, perfect for RV trips or dorm cooking where space is limited. However, some reviews highlighted that it may not retain heat as well as some other models, which could affect cooking time. But here's the thing, it's meant to be quick and easy, and if you follow the guidelines, you should still get decent results. This is perfect for anyone wanting a portable, easy-to-use grill pan for quick meals. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty grilling capabilities. For the price, it's a handy tool for anyone on the go.
So, there you have it. We covered the Prep Solutions Bacon Grill for easy bacon cooking, the Macany for grilling versatility, the AHJ for quick meal prep, the Glow for multiple cooking modes, and the Liqua for portability. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really comes down to what fits your cooking style best. Happy cooking!